This has been the video that I've been regretting before I even started to make it. 2 days ago, we had one hell of a show. One hell of a show for the bruiser Bubba Ty, better known as Eric Tyler Mullins. We've seen the debut of the War Rider Zane Chambers, hell of a kid. We've seen Browbeat successfully defend his championship against me. Hell of a competitor. We've seen the Afterlife controversial defeat the Pack. Why do I say controversial? Because I went back and watched the match. I wasn't even the legal man. We've seen the bruiser, Bubba Ty, reach the mountaintop once again. The first man to become two-time UCWA World Champion. And then, after that match, I came out and had a proposition for Eric. The main event was already built up big enough for 2.5 years. I couldn't beat Eric. I had never beaten him one-on-one. So I said, I have nothing to lose in this match. Eric's career was already over. Win, lose, or draw, his career was done. So I said, you know what? Eric, you beat me, my career will be over as well. So I said, why not make the match bigger? Law of execution wasn't enough. Putting my career on the line wasn't enough. Eric won the world championship. I said, Eric, how about this? You put the world title on the line. And then it happened. I finally defeated my mentor. I had to do something that took every ounce of hesitation in my body. A piece of me died on Sunday. A piece of my career died. I didn't want to take the title off of Eric, but I did what I had to, what was necessary. A piece of me wishes Eric would have won. A piece of me was hoping that Eric was going to win. But if anybody's going to carry on Eric's legacy as a mentor to the next generation, to the younger generation, to guide the next generation of UCWA superstars, it's going to be the man. He taught everything. And yeah, being the first UCWA world champion has its bragging rights. But this one right here, this world title right here, means the most. Because of what I went through to get to this one. 2.5 years, this story that me and Eric told will never be seen again. This one was bittersweet. This one I feel like I've earned. What's next? I'll tell you what's next. On September 8th, at Genesis, it will be a tournament to declare the new #1 contender for the UCWA World Championship. And boys, there's a little twist to this. I want you at your best. I want you guys to step up and prove to me you got what it takes. So I'll be entering the tournament. And matter of fact, I'll be kicking off the tournament. If he's cleared by the doctors, for the first time ever, kicking off the tournament will be your current UCWA World Heavyweight Champion, Logan Price, and Rich Thunderwood, for the first time ever. Boys, if I win this tournament, I pick the number one contender for the main event. And I'll pick whoever I decide impressed me enough throughout the tournament. Not trying to be the bad guy, I'm just trying to be considerate. I want to see what you guys got. As of now, it's step up or step out of my way. You want to be the top star in UCWA, you got to beat the big dog of this backyard. Now, moving on past Genesis, I've got a pretty big event, September 14th, where I aim to slay a beast and conquer a queen. Now, the queen had some words to say about me. Said she's beaten me every time. If I stand correctly, the last time we faced at Possessed for the UCW, for the ACBW United States Heavyweight Championship, you didn't win. I didn't win. You didn't lose. I didn't lose. The match was a draw. Why? Because I caught you off guard. I took you by surprise. I showed you that I'm not that rookie anymore. I'm not the jobber you thought I was. So at Sandstorm, I'm going to get the job done. And I'm going to take that U.S. Heavyweight Championship from you. That's after I slay the beast. I'll see you guys at Sandstorm.